Hey guys, so if you want to increase your conversions, your leads and your sales, this product is going to be ideal for you. Now you may have seen my review on this a few days ago. This is called RHIMS 4 and this is by JayKay Dowdall and it's now at $17 and it's going to go up to $47 in a couple of days. Now hit the link in the description below if you want to jump straight over to my review and see my bonuses that I've got for you. But I want to kind of really go through this in a little bit more detail to show you the kind of resources inside. Now this doesn't matter if you're a beginner or you've been doing this for a while. JayKay's training is absolutely second to none and he goes through everything in so much detail that you're going to get knowledge from this. It doesn't matter what stage of the journey of being an affiliate marketer you're actually on. So let's jump inside. I want to kind of show you this. Basically what this is a all-encompassing training plus a lot of resources that you would need to build these effective funnels and pages for your own business, right? And the cool thing about it is it's got quite a few different types of pages in here that are going to be useful depending on the type of affiliate marketing you do. So it starts off with the welcome videos, kind of taking you through exactly what you're going to get here. And then you have the main thing, the kind of first step is choosing an effective offer. Now what he has here is a video here that actually goes through this, 24 minutes long, but also he has a selection of these workbooks that you can kind of pick up and then fill in the blanks and get all of the information you'll need to do these various tasks, right? Now this one also has a paid traffic piece here where he talks a lot about the viability of having paid traffic to actually go ahead and obviously get traffic over to your offers. Now after you pick the offer, the key thing is to understand what type of funnel and what type of pages within that funnel you need to go ahead and build. Now this is where, you know, it doesn't matter whether you've been doing this for a while or whether you're a complete beginner, this is packed full of great knowledge. Now if I just go to the squeeze page workbook, for example, what you have here is an overview of the squeeze page and what it is and what it's trying to achieve, what kind of actions you want people to take on it. And then really powerful is the squeeze page in your funnel. Now if you actually look at these videos, he goes through various types of funnels and where do those pages fit in for the various types of funnels. And it can change, it can vary depending on what you're trying to achieve, which is what he always gives you one or two options for those different types of funnels. And then the last one is where you get your additional resources as well. You have the workbook that's similar to the one I showed you before, but then you have a video that shows you click for click what you need to do with the workbook, the type of information you need to collect, and then how you actually go ahead and build the page that's appropriate for. So it's really, really detailed, guys. Now I can go through here and show you the lead magnet workbook. This lead magnet, he has a 3 video series here that teaches you basically everything you need to know about lead magnets and how to build them, how to make them, what the best ones are for different type of audiences. And then you have resources down here. Again, you have the workbooks and you have links to his other programs here. If I go through the Bridge Lander workbook, again, I'll just skip to the end one. You have a full page on how to obviously go ahead and build bridge pages. And he also includes things like video script templates and then various types of teleprompters for if you want to use a teleprompter to actually go ahead and do videos with. Very, very detailed. Next is the advertorial workbook, one thing I hadn't really seen before, and he has obviously the same kind of thing with that, but he also includes examples of an advertorial as well as various types of templates here. Now don't worry if you haven't got ClickFunnels, that doesn't really matter. As long as you've got a page builder, you can build these pages, right? You just follow along and you use the blocks in your own page builder to go ahead and duplicate what he's doing. You have a VSL lander in here, you have a quiz lander in here, you have written pre-sale workbook, which is really cool. Again, you have some more resources under this, you have some samples, you have the workbook itself, and then you have the email templates, and he talks about an AIDA email workbook, and he also talks about storytelling emails. Now these are 2 different types of emails that you can send out to your audience, and he kind of goes through how to construct them, also gives you samples of them, and then how to go ahead and use them most effectively. Very, very good training. Last thing is the bonuses. I've talked about these in various videos so far, but these bonuses are very, very detailed. He has some case studies here. He has his automated sales funnel case study there. He has this headline swipe file here. Very, very good book. This is a really detailed PDF with lots of different headlines in there for various types of purposes. You have the Microsoft Ads training in here, and then you have something that I literally booked about 20 minutes ago. you have a call with him on a one-on-one session, which is worth way more than the $17 you're going to be asked to be paid here, guys. So, you know, it doesn't matter what stage you are in affiliate marketing, you've got to go ahead and grab this while it's at $17. Don't wait for it to get to $47. Although, to be honest, looking at the detail here, that's still an absolute bargain. But I would grab it for $17 today. Hit the link in the description below. Go over, have a look at my full review if you want to. I do have my own bonuses there. Take a look at them, and if you like them, go ahead and purchase this today. I really think it's going to be a great thing for you and your business. Until next time, guys, take care.